There's a lot of problems in getting water at the right places. Either you have too much water or there's no water at all. In terms of living in a healthy environment, water is the lifeblood of humanity. If you can have an influence on that and help bringing this to the world, that really makes an impact.
We started in 1963 when we were a small shop actually within a large manufacturer of PVC pipe. And we got the knowledge we had from the previous experiences, right? We could apply to different customers across the world.
We are a machine builder, basically in a niche market for pipe extrusion. Our machines in the end make a plastic pipe. 90% of what we do is PVC. Water supply is something which comes back in our mission, meaning bringing clean water and sanitation, and that it is available for everyone. So that is what we would like to bring to the world by bringing state-of-the-art pipe solutions, being able to bring water to rural areas, to big cities where there is not a lot of water available.
Our goal is to make the industry more sustainable. And all of our innovations that we're working on is really focused on either making production more efficient, easier to adopt, or saving materials so that our customers and the entire industry is more sustainable.
Everybody talks about sustainability, but sustainability needs to be much more than just a cheap marketing slogan. And I think in many cases, sustainability nowadays is a marketing slogan.
Our pipe is used 50 to 100 years underground, so it has to be, it shouldn't leak in that 50 or 100 years, right? The new technologies we invented is really around reducing the material per meter pipe, and that goes up to 50 and sometimes 60% of the normal use of material for normal PVC pipe.
It's one of the lightest pipe materials that you can produce. So you're putting a pipe in the ground that is the least amount of material, but has a very long service life. Reduce, reuse, recycle. First you have to reduce.
So you got lower cost in transport, easier to install, and you need lower pumping energy. So there's a lot of benefits if you look to PVC pipe. Now if we add our inventions like the multi-layer up to that also, so there's additional material savings.
Multi-layer pipe is essentially a 3-layer pipe instead of a single-layer pipe. So instead of having one solid wall, you have a skin on the outside, a skin on the inside, and a core layer. And what that allows you to do is then foam the inside layer, so save 50% of the material in the core layer, and then use recycled material in the core layer, and still have a perfect looking pipe inside and outside. In the end, when you're able to use multi-layer technology, you can save 30% of the total weight and 70% of the virgin material. PVCO pipe is a technology where you are stretching PVC. So you start with a pipe that's capable of holding 16 bar pressure and stretch it at the glass transition temperature, which means that all the molecules, they stay bonded as they originally were. But when we stretch the pipe, we make the material thinner. So it has all the original strength of that original pipe that we made before we stretched it, but it's twice the size. So that stretching process essentially saves you 50% of the material that you would normally need to make a pressure pipe.
Apostamos por Rollepaal porque nos ofrecía una serie de soluciones de vanguardia y que nos ayudan en nuestro propósito de poder ofrecerle al mercado productos de altísimo valor añadido y con la mejor eficiencia, sostenibilidad y calidad. La gran ventaja que nos ofrece es que conseguimos un tubo igual, no, incluso mejorado técnicamente con respecto al habitual, utilizando solo la mitad, incluso menos, de la materia prima que necesitamos para fabricar un tubo normal para este tipo de aplicaciones.
The biggest strength of the company is always the people. And I think that the pride people have of making a product like this, that is our biggest strength by far.
They have a very high level of craftsmanship and they want to get better. And if they get better, we get better.
Every day that I'm here and every day that we push a new product to the market or we help a customer adopt a line, what we're doing is contributing in a positive way to helping us all tackle climate change. And that kind of purpose is something you rarely have a chance to be a part of.